Hi everyone! Welcome to the homework table with Emy Girl and Dad. And today we're gonna do math. We're gonna do some counting blocks and then we're gonna do some story problems with math. We're gonna read a story and we'll have to figure out if it's addition or subtraction.
Addition!
You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Come on guys. Come join us, let's have some fun. Okay guys, are you ready for our math problem? We're gonna do this math sheet first where it tells us a story. We have to figure out if it's addition or subtraction, and then we're gonna do this super fun worksheet. So stay to the end. We're gonna count the blocks. We're gonna figure out how many blocks there are, and then we get to cut these out and paste it in here when we figure out how many blocks there are, okay? So we're gonna do two fun math worksheets. Let's start here. And when we went to Emy Girl's parent-teacher conference, do you remember what your teacher said? Miss Ladonio said that when we read these problems that sometimes you forget the key words and you don't know if it's addition or subtraction. So you need help with this, okay? So we need to focus and we need to learn and how to write the equations, okay? All right, so this is a story problem. I'll read it and you tell me what to do, okay?
Okay.
It says there are 6 red flowers. Do you want to do counters? I think we should do counters. Okay, so let's start with 6 red flowers. Right up here, let's do it in the box. All right, 6 red flowers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so good job, 6 red. We have 6 red flowers. We have 4 yellow flowers.
4 yellow.
And we have 2 pink flowers. In my garden, how many flowers do we have all together? So the key word here is all together. So what is that, addition or subtraction? Are we adding them or are we taking them away?
Adding.
Good job. Okay, so we have 6, 4, and 2. So how do we solve this problem? How do you think we solve this problem?
So we have to put 4 and then 2.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's our 4 yellow.
1, 2.
All right, so let's do this. So we have red. This is kind of red. We'll use this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. How many yellow do we have? What does that say? What number is that? Right here. What number is this?
4.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 2 pink. 1, 2. Can we count them all?
Yeah.
How many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. Okay, so now we have to write the equation. How do we write the equation?
Oh, I think I know. 6.
Uh-huh. I like when you're confident and you try. Yep.
4.
Right.
Equals.
Wait, we have one more to add, remember?
Oh, so put a 2 next to the 4?
So we're gonna do another plus. You could have multiple plus signs.
Plus.
This is hard for elementary. Yep, plus.
2.
Good job. Then equals what?
Equals.
What number did we come up with?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You got it, kid. You got it. Good job.
How do you put 12?
What's number 12? It's a 1 and a 2. Because what's 10? I'll show you how to write a 10.
1.
How do you write a 10? So a 10 is like this. 11's like this. And 12's like this. Okay?
Yeah.
We'll work on your numbers past 10, okay? All right, we have one more word problem, then we get to move on to the super fun, super easy counting blocks, okay? So I'll read it to you again, and you have to figure out what we're gonna do, okay? It says Ted got 12 blocks from the library. So I'm gonna circle 12, okay? So he has 12 books, I'm sorry, not blocks, I'm sorry. Ted got 12 books from the library. He gave 7 books to his friend, Sam. How many books does Ted have left?
Okay, so put so we're doing subtraction.
And so you've already learned. You learned so fast, kiddo. You see, we just had parent-teacher conference, and her teacher said she struggles with this. I'm very proud of you. So the word gave mean that he gave them away, so he doesn't have them anymore, so you know it's subtraction. Good job. So this time you want to write the equation first. That's fine. So 12 minus 7 equals, and then we have to do our counters.
Yeah, on here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.
11, 12.
And then how many do you have to take away? What does it say?
1, 7.
Good job.
2.
Good job.
3, 4, 5, 6.
How many are left?
7.
Oh my God, that was too perfect. How many do we have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Good job. You did this perfect, and that's backwards.
I always write my 5 backwards and 6.
It's all right. You need more practice.
But they still look like the same.
But I'm just very proud of you that you got this right and you did this math problem, both these math problems. High five. You're a rock star. We're gonna keep practicing this. You did an excellent job, Emy girl. Excelente. All right. This one's gonna be super easy, super fun. Go ahead and start with your name at the top of the paper. All right, Emery. Now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna count these blocks and we're gonna figure out how many blocks are here. We're gonna write them in here and then when we're done, we'll cut this out or fast forward it and we'll glue them into the boxes, okay? So let's count the boxes. How many boxes do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This. Yep.
11, 12.
Good job. So there's 12. I'll write the numbers and you count them, okay? I'm writing upside down, guys. I'm sorry. 12. Good job. Let's go. Let's fly through this, baby.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job. So this is gonna help you count too. Because I think you can count up to 100, right?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
13.
All right, let's go here. Come on. You're doing a great job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Let me write that in for you.
Didn't know why I was doing that? Because when I'm going it's pushing
sliding
down
up.
and down.
That's because you're
and
going
down,
fast and you're
down.
going hard, kid. Good job. All right, count them. Count them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17, 17, 17. Count them up. We're doing good together. We're doing the homework together.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Do you know how to write 11?
Yes.
How?
Line and a line.
My girl. Let's go. Count this one. These are a lot down here. Come on, count them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19. Who?
Who? You pull down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, with the 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
For all the parents watching, I don't know if your kids do this, but it's been months now. She doesn't stop with the 6, 7 thing. When do you think you're gonna stop?
Never.
Never. You're gonna be 100 years old doing 6, 7?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. All right. Let me see if I can write this 18. My upside down. This is gonna come out very sloppy. No, I'm just gonna do 2 circles. It's easier. I was gonna do it like that.
I can do that.
All right. So now what we gotta do? We're gonna fast forward this part, guys. We're gonna cut the bottom of this paper out, and it has all the numbers, and Emy Girl's gonna match them. So this worksheet helped us learn how to count and how to match. Matching, counting, counting, matching, matching, counting, counting. Count the blocks. Match the numbers to the blocks. All right, so start at the top. What's the first number at the top?
It's 12.
Okay, good job. 12. All right, what's the next number? Let's finish out strong. You've done a great job. 15. Okay. 13.
14. 17. 11.
19 blocks in that one? Okay.
16. That's a sloppy 6.
Sorry. You're telling Daddy he has sloppy handwriting? Well, that's okay. All right, guys. We did it. We counted the blocks. We matched them. We'll glue them off camera because we already did 2 worksheets and this video is probably getting very long. Thank you guys for watching. Say thank you to everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
You think they learned something today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for teaching us, Emy Girl. High five. Bye, guys.
Bye.